In this video, we are going to see how we can change the business category on the Facebook page. So let's say that you have expanded your business to other services as well, and now you feel like you want to change the category. All you have to do is just click on the About section right here, and you switch to category. It is select to business service, but you will see that you won't be able to edit this. That's because we are in the view mode only, and still the profile is selected as this one. We want to switch to the page profile. So let me just switch that, and now each and every function will be editable. Let me just hide this page. Click on the About section again, and now if we switch to category, we should be able to edit this. Click on edit, and instead of business service, let's say it is an e-commerce, or let's say I just wrote website, it's an e-commerce website. We switch it to that, click on save, and now you can see the category has been successfully changed, and that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.